Welcome to today's micro lesson, which is on To the Stars from American Pop to Piano 6, the repertoire book. Here's what the cover looks like, and the piece sounds like this. So it's a nice ethereal piece, but it does have a beat. So there's actually an implied rhythm section, a slight Latin style, I would think, lurking beneath the surface. The melody should be played very legato and very nicely shaped as well. And the left hand, all the time the phrase starts with a slight drop and a slight stress and gradually tapers away. And that's the shape of the phrases in the left hand or the right hand. The piece starts mezzo piano with pedal, once a bar. But there, I pedal each of the notes, there. So you might like to think about here and there pedaling more often than once a bar. I like the way the piece builds up with a crescendo to forte, then a mezzo piano, and here you could almost ease back on the tempo. And here, listen to the pedaling. So I'm going pedal, 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 pedal. So you can see you need to think about the pedaling because it's starting to colour this sound, but it's also helping to join. So it's got various functions there. But it's really nice to experiment with the pedal on this piece and see what you can do to make it really work well. That section, by the way, you can hear those top notes need to really have a little more weight. They need to really sing out. Watch when there's a grace note. There's one in the middle here that you pedal after the grace note. That's just a little point. And the other thing is, which I rather like, is that the piece comes around again, but this time, instead of ending up loud here, it ends up piano. And soft, stays soft, a little bit louder, and back to piano, and really bell-like. And no pedal on those two notes, but then pedal straight after that, and then just before you play the last B, pedal again. So lots of nice things to think about there, but remember a singing tune throughout in the right hand, especially with the tune in sixths, and also make lovely use of the pedal, and bear in mind there's a rhythm section, so try and keep a reasonably steady beat throughout the piece. Have fun, do like and subscribe, see you on the next micro lesson. Bye for now.